Hey, what's up, peeps? So, I'm gonna go fix our bicycle today. Fix the front. I'm gonna fix the front tire of the bicycle. So, hope you guys enjoy. Ready? So it burst out of the try to fix it with what's it called? Duct tape. But first we did patch it with a little patch that I bought at Walmart. So I used that little patch. Then leave it out in the sun so I guess it dry again and leak. So that was this was the original patch that's still on it now, but it ended up seep through. I don't know why, so I just put this over it. I was riding to school, so that's the reason why. So this patch is dead, and I put in a new patch. The new tube still is better. So I bought this one for $6 at Walmart. Yeah, $5, almost $6. So it's a 26-inch Goodyear tube. the pump. Put little air in it just to test if all the air is sealed around the rim. You have the rim, the tire. So I want to inflate it a bit to ensure that it sits in there. Well, that's how you change the bicycle tube.